Naka bynta ki khobor ke ba man kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baro kini kilong ki khubor bam dagasngi. Kasengsan perthai jong ba Aden mila besayong mod ka Voice People Party menaka arpautrik rimpang arhajar arpulai kala pelat pat ba ya ka clay ya ka rai kular juban lag hado live south li na ka benta banet sya upat ba na ka benta ka election MLA jong ka yung darbar thau an ka jylla. Ya ketika kular juban nak lashim da ka kenhun ki kertong ketika seng ha ka jingelam jong ba Aden mila besayong mod kum u presiden. Na kaliang uba Aden mila basayo mod hab pinsngo shikilat pathai kubor hasilong na lor kaseng kala pelat ya ka manifesto kamhun kumta kala shim ya ka kular balarai ba kaseng kan pentrai kami kimat jingdon kam jong upat ba kum ka kot ka khya ka rap ka ryang ka kam jngok kai perthai ka tanat pinmi boarding uput usam kham tam ya ka tin khasi ne ka eid schedule.
Ketika election pledges ke jini lani ki mat jingkular nak ke Voice of the People Party nak tang ketika election Emily ke bani kong kamat jingkular ke bani la bo ha ketika manifesto ke jini kedai habani baka polling puji kabar ketika health balai ketika agriculture animal husbandry fisheries Kabasal kali berka land, kekendalian, kaba sun, kali ke rural urban migration, kaba Rio, kali ke decongestion of Shillong and building of satellite towns, kaba Hinyo, kali ke tourism, kaba Prague, kali ke power, kaba Kandai, kali ke transport and communication, kaba Shipho, kali ke sport and youth affairs, kaba Khadwe, kali ke employment. Kabar the reformation of Meghalaya Public Service Commission and other recruitment committees board. Kabar Khalai ke reservation policy. Kabar Khatsau ke differently abled persons. Nanta kabar Khatsan ke water conservation and rainwater harvesting and water supply. Kabar Khamri ke environment. Kabar Kanyo ke mining. Kabar Khatra ke waste management. Kandai ke public transport, Apo strengthening the public finance, Afwe ke influx, Kaba Apuar ke Article 371, Apply ke issue, Apsau ke border issue, ke Apu Sau, Law and Order, ke Apu repealing the Meghalaya Gaming Act 2022. Arpinyo ke strengthening of the compulsory registration of marriage act 2012, Apupra corporate social responsibility, Arpandai Dibu drops, Kabedi drops. Kalau ke isu ke pangmet ini nomor bang ini bagi kon samaji ke kita muap tang drops atau ke pihak drops. Dan we don't need strategi ke jemi ke ba nilai. Dan ke ba ni ko abanshu highlight kintiap makai ke bah ini le. Kalau hari ini kan ni, ke party can classify. There will be a classification. Mah, hari ini drops. Kindon kita gila abang kita ki drop user, kindon kita ki drop supplier. So we will deal with these groups accordingly. It depends. Kashong hakajat kam ki crime. Don ki crime ki bagi ngin sepet ki agency ki bukum ki don ki jai crime kan fair ka win ka wi crime ni ma ba ni ba ile bit of state and the central agency. It depends on the nature of crimes. Being a try ni ken mau ba hakapor bangara ay gani ka mat apo assembly undan wiru u ba persya. There was no one who opposed my resolution hagabri bagani tenre baro occupation menta hagani ka debate haga discussion hagabri bag article 371 keep in power but they still need some more time to understand about the issue. So they feel that the deliberation on this issue needs to be continued. Tama kata kali bagi penpa. Te komba kalau menta ni punya khat prangut komba piong. Bat ni di bankret baka party bajak pang prangut. Hakani ka tem ka menta. Kadon hak position ka bakala ban influence the government on any issue. They hopefully there is every likelihood ba VPP kan yo ya ka bynta ka ba kongsan ha ka de ka sansnet ka pamenta. The link ba kata i community ba gilong positive gilong optimistic ba ngila ban pensung tho ya kini pat ki part di political party ba sansne men shwa playola ban sung tho ya ka de ka jingthmu kam je ka article the menta kali kasnem bagin benjur pass ke resolution bagin pass the government of India nam tak extension jo ka article